Click and Reveal Example 3. Different layout in Adobe Captivate. In this video we are going to view Click and Reveal Example 3. In this template, we can view details of an image when clicking on each image as a new layer. We can close the layer by clicking on the Close button at the top right corner. Let's move on to the Captivate file. I added a rectangle background with a text box with description of the images and clickable images. I converted those images into buttons in order to have a hover state and followed the same procedure for the remaining images too. I added a rectangle in the hover state with an opacity of 30%. As well as an entrance animation that comes in from the bottom. And followed the same procedure for the other image too. I added a layer type with an invisible state at its initial state. Added a rectangle with an image, as well as a text box for the title and description. Further added a smart shape, use as button for closing the whole group. And also make the initial state as invisible. We can hide an object on a slide, and define conditions that must be satisfied for the object to be displayed. When you hide these buttons, you also need to disable them as well, otherwise their hit areas could still be active. Click and reveal interactions are useful for organizing and presenting content, and putting information into context for the learner. Click to reveal interactions are ideal when you need to organize content in some sort of meaningful way. Subscribe and like my channel. Click bell icon to get notification of new videos in Adobe Captivate.